So hi guys, in this video we are going to see about our next Python project, which is a PDF merger app. So you can see it's a PDF merger. So first of all, I explain the outline. So it uses PDF merger Python library, so which is used in Python. So let's run this program. So I run this program. So it asks the users that how many inputs to enter. So like how many PDFs to merge. So I entered three, and it asks for name of the PDF. So I have already copied uh, to save our time the PDF name. So I quickly paste here. So and press enter and name of the PDF too. So and paste here. Click on enter and do the same thing. So I have entered three name PDFs. So the names of three PDFs also. So now I press enter. So it will take some time and create a merged PDF here. So you can see here, guys. So I click on this. So you can see the three PDFs also merged. So it is the first PDF, and next to this, the next PDF is merged. So and also after this, the next PDF is also merged, guys. So the PDF merger application works successfully. So just the two things you need to do: enter the number of PDFs and enter the names of the PDF. So with the dot file extension, so you need to enter the name. So that's all about this video, guys. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.